prefers the stalking method.
Who?
Bear. But then again, he's got a lot to move.
I know it's here somewhere. Poke.
Get it. I'm like, I don't understand. How is it on him? It's like, I don't want to touch them. They're going to attack me.
How did you not know that it's on him?
Get it?
How could you have a thing on you and you're not flipping out? She's like, what are you doing? What is wrong with you? Can't a woman eat in peace?
I figure that way if Bear retaliates, at least they're more evenly matched. You gonna get it? He's like, I don't understand. Get it. Get it.
Just wait for him to full on pounce on him.
Get it. He's like, I'm so confused. Like, I don't know. I should probably get that to stop clicking so they stop looking at me. I think it's funny.